Sean from BMW Sold. Today we have 2024 BMW X6 that we're going to be showing you. This car has premium enhanced package, M Sport Pro, and carbon fiber with 22-inch wheels, black wheels. I hope you like this video because the car just came into the showroom and we just sold it. So it didn't take long to sell this car, but because the availability of this car that being so rare, the cars sell fast. So let's see the car and enjoy the view of this car, and I'll go through the option and show you the whole thing. Let's go! Want to have a look at this from outside. This is what you see. 2024. It's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful color combination of packages all together. Premium enhanced, obviously, and what you see in the front is an M Sport Pro that gives you a black grille in the front and gives you more options in exterior as well. Okay, so what you see here is 24, and you're looking at black grille in the front and black on the bottom because it's got an M Sport package. Comes with this car, there's no option to add on other than M Sport Pro. That gives you black grille with the illuminated kidney grills in the front. What you see here is a front view camera that comes with all the packages, comes with all the cars. And we also have driver assistant package that gives you active cruise control, lane departure, blind spot, and evasion assist and traffic controls as well. So this is what you get from the package that you have. Also, what you have in is shadow headlights on the car right there, and you got the black wheels on this car. The black wheels is an option to add on to it. I'm going to show you the option and features of this car. Premium enhanced. The base price is $92,000. You put a premium enhanced package at $8,500. M Sport Pro 2000. Driving advanced 25. We've added on the 22-inch wheels, which is $1,500. Double axle air suspension $1,500. Garage door opener $300. Glass roof rail $250, and carbon fiber interior $1,000. Altogether, you're looking at $109 plus freight PDI and taxes, $116. If you're leasing it, you're looking at $1,838 plus taxes with $8,600. If you're financing it, $2,455, taxes in with $8,600. That's over 5 years. This is over 4 years. Let's have a look at the exterior of this car to begin with. I'm going to take you around, show you everything before we go to details. There you go. So this is the exterior of the car. Okay, so the red black interior. We're looking at a carbon fiber trim all around here. Looking at massaging chair right here. Power seat, memory seat locks, and the windows. You can also close your windows from mirrors from here. You're looking at Harman Kardon sound system, which comes with this package. And I'm going to show you the interior of this car. M Sport, which is part of the X6, comes as standard as M Sport, so you don't have to add anything other than M Sport Pro. YouTuber. You can be, you're a hero.